is going to throw. Drew Pearson. He got it. Touchdown.
This famous 1975 playoff play inspired the term Hail Mary pass. Key players: Roger Staubach, Dallas quarterback; Drew Pearson, Dallas wide receiver; Nate Wright, Minnesota cornerback; Fran Tarkenton, Minnesota quarterback. Editors should cut to the final seconds, scoreboard 14-10, 24 seconds, and show Staubach's desperate throw and Pearson's miraculous catch. The stunned Vikings sideline and elated Cowboys post-score seal this comeback's infamy.